Let me just start off this video by saying, yes, you can get rich in a bull market, but the real wealth, guys, is created in the bear markets. And I feel good about the crash, besides it being a nice sunny morning here and I've got my cup of crypto for those of you that used to follow the live shows. I'm looking at this long-term Bitcoin chart that's been in place since the beginning of Bitcoin's inception, going back sort of 2008, 2009 time. Look at this. This is what I wanted to share with you today, how I believe there's an opportunity coming up in the next 6-9 months where you can actually earn 2,000% by buying and investing in Bitcoin. It always pays to be a long-term investor. Of course, in the meantime, we can trade, we can short, can make some profits. Brilliant. However, I do want to put some emphasis on the fact that long-term investing is a proven strategy. Look at this logarithmic chart. So you can see that these curves, they can't be altered, by the way. You can alter them, but then they won't make sense. For example, if I move that down, everything comes out of place here. So I have to move that back in place like that. If I move this one down, for example, it comes out of shape here. So you can maneuver them, but there's only one way that they fit, and this is how they fit in this chart. So I'm going to zoom in here, going full screen, and look at this. I've got this level marked out with a red line at about $12,000, $13,000, because that's where I believe that the ultimate low will be in this upcoming winter bear market, whatever you want to call it. Just to show you why that is, look at this Bitcoin chart. Still a Bitcoin chart, it's just another chart. Basically, you look at a pattern like this. We had a big bear flag play out. You had the support, you had the resistance, you had the pole as such. And ultimately, guys, we are anticipating a breakdown in price, which we're now seeing. And if you switch to the log chart, you can see by taking the pole from the top here, because it changes on the logarithmic chart, you can see that actually what we're seeing is a bigger breakdown, and we could be seeing something around that 12,000, 12.5, 13,000, whatever it is, that kind of level. And to show you on this chart, again, I'll zoom in. Let's go full screen so I can show you exactly what I'm looking at here. We could still see, in terms of a downturn, still potentially another 50% from where we are now. From the high, we're down about 60%. In previous bear markets, so you can go back to this one where we had the top at the end of December 2017, from the high to the very low, which we created about 2 years later, we saw about an 84% correction. So yeah, maybe we don't see 84%, maybe we see 80%, maybe we see 75%, but the point is, from high to low, we're only 60% down. I'm anticipating that at the bare minimum, we're going to reach the $20,000 level, which would be the previous cycle top. So there's going to be opportunities here, guys. Let's assume we come down to the bottom level here, and we know that from market tops, you can see that was 1st of December 2017, to the market bottom, which was 2018. So that took a year, but you were in this bear market for the best part of 2 years. So we can anticipate that somewhere around, where are we now? We're in May 2022. So somewhere around May 2023, we would have bottomed out. And May 2024, we would have certainly be starting our ascent in the kind of disbelief stage of a market cycle where we start rallying again. Now, if we come down to around these levels, you're going to be looking at prices coming back to the top of this logarithmic chart. And we can be talking about a huge percentage drop from the $12,000 range up to my target. And I'll show you my target. It's about $300,000 by 2025. The reason being, if I zoom out a little bit here, if we come down from this level, which I suspect we will, and you go to the top of this range and you extrapolate it up, it gives you about a 2,000% increase. So you're basically going to come down here, retest this line, stay in a bear market for 12 months, and come back to test that level. That's how I will be playing out the next 2-3 years in Bitcoin. I don't recommend buying altcoins right now, not until the market starts changing its structure, because altcoins typically lose 99% of their value. Obviously, there'll be some winners. There'll be many more losers. Just be careful out there right now, guys. I'm going to show you these videos because Anybody invested, trading, you will find plenty of value from these. I'm going to put the cards up on screen in just a sec. My BYBIT for beginners video. Take advantage of when the prices drops. You can make money too. Learn how to trade on BYBIT, guys. That's my step-by-step beginner's guide. Card up there. My Nexo tutorial where you can earn interest on your HODL. Very important. Let your crypto work for you guys. Earn compound interest on it. And you can borrow against your crypto collateral so you don't need to sell. And you can borrow as little as 0% interest. And these are my top 10 trading tips. Every person watching this video is going to find plenty of value from these guys. And there is in the link description below for those of you that want to trade on BYBIT, where you can do spot trading, you can short, you can long, you can utilize leverage, then you will get $4,100 with the link in the video description down below, guys. Thanks for joining me. Remember, I'm on Twitter. I'm currently doing a big giveaway. I'm giving away half an Ethereum. So check my Twitter out at Marzell Money. Thanks for joining me. Check out any one of these videos on screen before you go. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.